How to drop multiple pins on Google Maps. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pin multiple locations on Google Maps step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Maps app on your phone, and here inside the map, begin by choosing the first spot you want to save on the map. So simply tap on the location and it will drop a pin right here. And once you have pinned it, go ahead and tap on save. Now since we are creating a group of place, maybe for a road trip or vacation, you can just tap on new list and give it a name like trip or anything you prefer. And once you're done with that, just hit create. And that's your first location saved. Now with that, let's go back and search or scroll to the next place that you want to include. And once you find it, just do the same thing. So tap to drop a pin and after that just hit save. And here choose the same list you created earlier and just tap on done. You can repeat this process for any number of places that you want to add. So here let me show you one more for example. I'll pin this spot and save it and add it to the trip list and just press on done. And now if we zoom out of the map, you will be able to see all saved location that you have pinned. And that's it. That's how you can drop multiple pins on Google Maps. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.